Hello my seedy friends, this is my follow-up on growing lentils at home from store-bought lentils. Okay, so as you can see, it definitely grew lentils. It looks like 1 lentil per pod. It should be a tad labor intensive. We'll see how that goes. Some of them are starting to dry out. Thought I'd bring them in before it rains, so I stopped watering them. Let them start drying out. Pretty quick and easy, shallow roots, didn't need to be staked. Let's see, one seed that I planted gave me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so for every lentil that's planted, you're gonna get roughly 10 more. And I'm sure if it was in the soil and the deep roots could go a little deeper, it would probably do a lot better, but I'm pretty happy with the outcome of this. And I'll probably pull these up and then start more. See if I can get another batch before the end of the season. Why not? Talk to you later, my seedy friends.